There's a little bit of green hazing happening with the tall fescue. I suspect the green haze is occurring in areas where I did some post-seeding top dressing. So that seems to be what is germinating immediately, or at about the 5 or 6 day mark, which is pretty good for tall fescue, which the Mountain View Seed Company claims about 14 to 21 days for germination. Day 9 since seeding the lawn, and we are seeing significant green up. There are still some bare areas in the middle closest to the house, and I'm not entirely sure, perhaps it's getting too much water coverage concentrated. So important to get head-to-head coverage when starting a new seed project. But so far so good. Might actually need to cut back on the watering and get a cut on this in the next few days. But I'm excited, and we should have a nice healthy lawn going into the winter.